As they arrange themselves, I would just like to tell you about the meaning of the song. It is a folk song written by an Assamese convert, Lokhiram Borua. It says, because of the love of God, sin has been conquered, death has been conquered, hung on the cross and kept in the tomb and resurrected only by the love of God. He has taught us to revere him and worship him only by his love.
Harp of joy, chorus.